Hello everybody, and welcome to another Blueberries video. I'm Blueberries, obviously. Who else would I be, honestly? This channel is called Blueberries. Why would I not be Blueberries? Alright, so, we're playing Shark Fight 2 again because you guys seem to like that. Okay? So, yeah. Trying to find this on my headphone. The thing to turn the sound down. Where are you? Okay, it's you. Alright. Sorry for that. Alright. So yeah, Shark Bite 2. I did play this a little bit off camera with Silly Craft, so I did get a new boat. I got the, you can see here. I got the small dinghy motorboat. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Please don't yell at me in the comments. If, actually, please tell me. I don't want to upset anything. Alright, extraction. Let's do that. I've never played Pass the Bomb before. I probably have and just not noticed. Alright. So, alright, it's not me. Hopefully I get Shark. I don't remember if I've got Shark before. If anybody invites me, I'll see what boat they have. But for this first round, I'll probably stay with myself. Whose boat is this? No. I don't want it. Alright, I'm gonna stay with myself for this. Alright. Drive. I bet I just ran into the wall, didn't I? Oh, I didn't. The rendering isn't loading in for me right now. Oh, there's a helicopter. Can you just pick me up right now? Like, do I really have to do all of this? Hey. Die. Alright. Yeah. As you can see, I am broke. I've got... Ah! And that's why you should look where you're driving. Luckily, I guess I have a boat that... Oh my gosh! Ah! Can you guys stop? Oh my gosh, did that guy just do a jump? Oh, I saw the shark. I didn't see it, but I saw like the little warning. See that circle thing? Why am I going towards it? I should not be going towards it. Look under the water. Okay, he's not following me. I just almost crashed into that. Alright, Blueberries. Don't look where you're driving. Just, oh. Nighttime is creepy. Alright, the shark has lost some health up there. Unicorn! Wait, no, don't crash into it! We just had this entire discussion about this. Ugh. No! Stop! I'm itchy. Oh, somebody's shooting him. Sorry if that was loud for you guys. You can see why now that I have the webcam. Can you drift? Shift. Space. Oh, wait, no. Space jumps out. I forgot how Roblox works. Alright, there's 50 seconds until the helicopters arrive. We might just end up killing the shark. I mean, that's always a possibility. Here, let's go under this little arch. Shoot the ducky! Ducky! We don't like duckies around here. Shoot it. What's that sound? Do you guys hear explosions? Okay. There's 20 seconds until the helicopters. Sorry. Ah! My W key is stuck. I hear them. I hear the helicopters. They're coming! Where are they? Where are you? We only have 35 seconds to get to them. We need more time. Where is it? Where the heck is this helicopter? Oh! Go! There's an escape. Ah, go! I have 10 seconds. Go! Ugh. Alright, I'm in. I'm on. Yay! Yay! I escaped. Yeah! Bye! Bye-bye, Sharky! You're not gonna get me today. I didn't even see you. Did the shark, like, go AFK or something? That'd be weird. Oh, I just realized I have my hairs and stuff. I have a mirror right there, so I can see. Alright! Yay. Wait, I didn't see what place I was! No! I think I was, like, 6th or something? Comment what I was. I have no idea. Hey. Alright, please be the shark. Please be the shark. I'm crossing my fingers. You can see them. They're right there. It's on the camera. I'm crossing my fingers. Oh, it's not me. Dang it! Ah! Sorry. I screamed. Who's this guy? Ew, no. You know what? Sure. This guy has a turret on his boat. Oh, wow. This thing's good. I like this guy. Wow. Turret! Where are we going? Should I be in first person or not? I don't know. He's gonna drive us into a wall, isn't he? Does this thing have infinite ammo? Oh, I can hold my paintball while I'm doing this. Whoa! Move! Go! What are you doing? What the heck is that for? Did they fix the toppling over? Where is it? I would look under the water. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh, he's gone. You want me to drive? No? Yes? Fine, I'll drive. This is confusing. He's over there. Hunt him. Get the gun. Get the gun. Bro. Oh, I'm controlling the gun. Never mind. This is cool, I didn't realize that. No. Go. What was that guy doing? Oh, someone died. Ah! Don't drive into the wall. Blueberries. Blueberries does not have his driver's license today. What are you doing? You look like you just got pulled on. I'm gonna leave. Not the game. Alright. What is this? Okay, get on. Stay in your seat. This is the same guy that was driving this boat originally. No, I'm not saving him anymore. You keep jumping off. Goodbye. Goodbye, sir. Oh, that was quick. Oh, I'm third place. Yay. Yay, I'm third. Yay. It's already been 11 minutes? We've done one round. Alright, two. We've done 2 rounds. It's the same thing. Alright, please, please. Come on. How? I have a 10% chance. How come you choose the person with a 3%? This is unfair. Can I buy a boat? How much teeth do I have? How much teeth do I have? How much teeth do I have? I have 298. Alright, I guess hide behind here. Alright, hi Sharky. Hi sir. Hi mister. Oh, I just got really cold. Alright, we're gonna do this. Next round, I will be the shark. Hopefully. Yeah. How is this tiny boat going 100 miles an hour? Look at it, down there. I'm trying to shoot it, but its UI, it doesn't work like that. Alright, Sharky, where are you? Oh, I see your thingy thing. Shoot the shark. But don't go near it. Blueberries, why are you going near the shark? Someone died. It's moving, and I feel like it's moving towards me. Look where you're driving! Hey! This guy just tried to run me over! Oh, shoot, this is where the shark went. Oh! Look where you're driving, Blueberries! My gosh, maybe you should go back to your school of stupid. Jeez. This is crazy how much I cannot listen to myself to drive. How? Also, I should probably have my hand on my mouse. Alright, where are we going? Ooh, let's go under here. Where is he? Ah! I almost hit that. Did they patch the thingy where you always tip over? I shouldn't be doing this right now. Why am I doing this? Oh shoot, I see something. This is really bad for me to be doing this, and that's why I'm doing it. I want the orca. looking at anything here? I want that harpoon gun, but it's 4,000 teeth. Wait, what's that? That's a harpoon, right? Yeah. Rocket launcher. I had that in Sharkbait 1. This? I don't get that. Oh. Oh, I hear him. Yup, and I'm dead. Good job. Good job, Blue. Amazing job. I'm mad at myself. That's why you should look where you're driving. See, that's what happens when you text and drive. Okay? So don't do that. What is this? Oh. Oh. Stuff is happening on April 6th. Wait, it's the 20, by the time that I recorded this, it's the 22nd. So what happened? Easter event? Oh. Boat defenses. Wait, there's upgrades? Where's that? Skins? Oh my gosh! Wait. I'm gonna guess this is the type. Strawberry. Where's the blueberry? 1,000? Common. That one just looks like the normal one. Oh. Tank? Why is this the tank skin? Is the color of a tank? Oh, the game mode. I'm 6. I'm dead. You know, it doesn't really help when you're dead. Well, ah. Oh wait, that's a B? And that's an S. Alright, come on. I literally have the highest chance of everybody. I'm closing my eyes. Am I it? How? That guy did the boost thing. You know what? Who's this? I don't really care. Okay, I'll join it. I don't want to drive. I'm too lazy. Oh, there's 3 people on here. I'm lazy. Alright. Let's do this. How long have we been recording? We've been recording for 18 minutes already? Alright. Fine by me. I don't really care. Ooh, it's a hammerhead. He's gonna slice his mom's pick up. What? Sit. Sit down. Stop glitching all over the screen. Is he hacking? What's that? Are you hacking? Are you hacking? Shoot it. Shoot the thingy. Why is there a Hang on. This is the worst driver ever. Oh shoot! No! Help! Save me! Bro! And this is why you shouldn't join that. Oh no, he's gonna smell blood. I'm just gonna stay down here with the fishies. He can't get me if he can't see me. What is that? Who? Oh, there's a boat! 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 Please! Uh, uh, uh. Shoot at it! Oh shoot. Well, there goes my life. Well, I think that might be a good spot to end this. So, thank you all for watching this video and look at the camera. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.